to be playing Color Block. If you guys don't know what this is, it is a game where you run to the color, whatever the game says, a specific color. You have to step on that color, and then you're safe. But if you don't get there on time, because there is a timer, you will fall off the map. I like playing this game because it's really fun, and it's like looking everywhere. But yeah, I'm not talking. We took like 39 minutes to do that, and 39 seconds to do that. Let's go. I'm so excited to play this because I haven't played it in a minute. It's really cool though. I love it. Yeah. One thing I'm sorry, you guys, if I'm laggy. I've been really laggy lately. Let's go to brown. Our nearest brown. I have this one. I always lose in these games, and I've never won for some reason. At least I don't think so. But yeah. But I really want to win this round. Because, like, I haven't won, like, anything lately. Oh, I'm already on Cyan. Cyan. It's called Cyan, sorry guys. Okay, where's Gray? Where's Gray? Gray, no! No! I can't find a Gray on time! No! I really want to respawn. Can I? 80 Robux, seriously? Sadly. But, okay, I have to wait till the next round, I guess. I'm playing like 3 rounds. What, like 2 rounds? And yeah. I really hope you guys like these videos. Yeah, I do. I really do. But, yeah. Do I need background noise too? Okay, guys. Game ready in 3 seconds. In 2 seconds. 1 second. Okay. I want to pick this one. No, actually this one because yeah, it's just really fun. It's a classic one. It's a classic map. No, it's not. The classic map is the ones with the squares. I think. The yellow. The one with the yellow. Yeah. This game is pretty fun too. Not gonna lie. It's all not your colors, but looking around the map. To be honest. You know what? I should do some videos with my friends. Like I should play the videos with my friends. I mean, play the obbies with my friends. Like Prison Break. I don't know what it's called. Sorry, but I'm just gonna call it Prison Break. Yeah. I really think I should do like an actual video playing with my friends. That would be really cool. If you guys want, I don't know if I should or should not. Yeah, but so far so good. Cyan, where's Cyan? No! No! I lost. Cyan was so close to me. Oh my god. Like, I can never win this game. Looks like we're starting a new round. Let's go. This is gonna be my last round until I go and we end the video. I guess. Yeah. Let's go! Brown, I can't find brown. Oh, we did this 4 seconds this time. That's weird. That's it. Oh god. Follow me. Okay. Sorry guys for the background noise too. Oh my god. Let's hope I can win this round. I'm trying winning it as much as I could.